जब भी सिड को घुटने में like itching होती, I don't think that I never thought he'd have to bend. Like I thought he could just stand and like he would reach his like knee or ankle. Like I was like, what a superpower.
We sound like an ape. ये रिकॉर्ड करके जरूर पोस्ट किया जाए कि जब मैंने रेडियो मिर्ची का जिक्र किया तो
Now we've got this cute segment where we're just going to ask you questions. आपको गलत जवाब देने हैं. आप सही जवाब नहीं दे सकते.
Okay.
सही जवाब देने पे
so naturally.
That's true. आपके लेटेस्ट फिल्म का नाम क्या है जानवी?
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस.
आपके को-स्टार का नाम क्या है सिद्धार्थ?
Oh, वरुण धवन.
One reason you said yes to the film.
Because of how emotionally challenging, gritty and gruesome it was.
I was going. मेरे को लगा आप पैसा बोलोगे, but maybe that's true.
She was waiting.
It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. We're allowed to crack jokes. Okay, moving on. फिल्म किसके बारे में?
ये एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री है जहाँ पे एक लड़का इस
Looking for a pineapple.
हाँ, और वो पाइनएप्पल फिर
एक
किसके
नारियल के
किचन में
अंदर.
मिलता है
जी.
जिसके पीछे खून हुआ है.
Okay, your favorite film of yours?
My favorite film of mine is definitely Hasi To Phasi.
One reason you should watch this film.
One reason you should watch this film क्योंकि हम आपको पैसे दे रहे हैं.
आपका फोन नंबर क्या है जानवी?
123450002.
There are people out there who are going to dial this also. Huh? So, so basically, अर्जुन कपूर का जो एक recent meme है जो वायरल हुआ है उसमें वो कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन देते हैं सिद्धार्थ?
Is this the expression? No, it's the wrong.
Correct. Wrong. Correct. Okay. One quality you look forward to in your partner.
Just like extreme rage.
Oh, correct. Your favorite Bollywood film?
Favorite Bollywood film? Hey, that's tough.
Wrong answer. No.
Student of the Year.
हाँ कितने बोले हो यार?
No, like.
You could say Italian job also. अरे ये बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि मुझे सच.
Wait, no, I'm just trying to think of saying the truth.
You're too cute. You're too cute. 3 जगह जहाँ you can find true love, जानवी.
Definitely in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Like in like public toilet.
Yeah.
Just because you really get to know a person by their
So much time.
exactly. There where else?
Bank?
Local train?
No, local train you might not.
She
You might.
say
You might.
So wrong answers now. So I think the toilet, I think
that. Radio Mirchi office.
Radio Mirchi office.
अरे इतना extra marital चल रहा है आपको कोई
अच्छा.
आइडिया नहीं है.
ये रिकॉर्ड करके जरूर पोस्ट किया जाए इधर
शादियाँ टूट
कि जब मैंने रेडियो मिर्ची का जिक्र किया तो
किसी का नाम थोड़ी लिया हमने.
Cold
Correct,
place
very nice.
concert.
Cold place concert.
oh yeah.
Well done. Well
Nice,
done.
nice.
Well done. Okay. And one more place? We'll just leave it.
Yeah, let's just leave it. Yeah.
Traffic. ठीक है. Okay. आज आप यहाँ पे कैसे हैं सिद्धार्थ?
मैं चल के आया.
One thing you like about Bollywood?
Is how there's just only love and acceptance for us, especially on social media. Like they're so understanding, patient. They really look at things from our perspective.
So well mannered.
No
on
one's
social.
looking to hate. Yes, really respectful of boundaries. It's bliss.
They ask the right questions. They start the interview with right questions, guys. That's the one thing that we love about the media also. Yeah. One best quality about each other.
That she's very lazy. Yeah, she's very lazy.
That's a
Very
safe
lazy.
one. ठीक है.
Just
And
wrong answers only नीचे disclaimer लगा दो.
she's very lazy. And about yourself, one thing that you don't like.
About myself.
One thing you like
One thing I like about her or myself.
about you.
Wrong answer.
Yeah.
Actually, bye. Let's ask Janvi. Janvi, एक चीज जो
Yeah,
आपको सिद्धार्थ के बारे में पसंद है. Wrong answers only.
That he has big feet.
Which is true, Janvi.
Has really-
Please.
Yeah. Bring it.
But that's not why I like
thought
him.
that I'm climbing.
Right?
Okay.
Why do I like
Yeah.
this person? क्योंकि उसके पैर बहुत बड़े हैं. That's my
She
exact-
did accuse me of having long limbs, so that's why I was climbing past her
तिरुपति, yes,
In
because
तिरुपति
एक
जाते हैं।
एवरेज हाइटेड ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए एक स्टेप मतलब एक स्टेप ना, लेकिन एक लंबे इंसान के लिए
तो मैं ऐसे दो कदम लेके चल रहा हूँ, इसको लग रहा है
तो
ऐसा
उनके
कुछ
लिए
नहीं था।
ज्यादा इजी हो जाता है। बट हिज लिम्स लाइक, मेरा एक थ्योरी था लुक टेस्ट करने के वक्त या उससे पहले, बिफोर आई स्पेंड लाइक प्रॉपर टाइम विथ हिम, मेरे इमेजिनेशन में ना जब भी सिर को घुटने में like itching hoti, I don't think that I never thought he'd have to bend. Like I thought he could just stand and like he would reach his like knee or ankle. Like I was like, what a superpower.
Maybe sound like an ape, you know? It was like just.
I had this vision of Sid not having to bend to like pick anything up or like pull up his socks. I just imagined him like upright doing it.
And then she'll accuse me of like climbing 2 steps एक time पे.
Yeah, but he was.
And Tirumala.
I also saw her. It's true. Once Siddharth was walking, I had to run. I had to
Yeah,
run to
because
catch
his-
up. हम
his
लोग
one
माथेरान गए
step-
थे and that's the problem. ये इतना जल्दी जल्दी चल रहा था, घोड़े स्लो
बिना
चल रहे
break
थे.
के।
पहुंच गया
Yes.
ऊपर.
And इनका एक स्टेप मतलब नॉर्मल इंसान का
No,
2-3
no,
स्टेप
no,
होता
no,
है.
no step, no.
No stop. Yeah. But it's a gift. He's. I think if they're ever looking for another Superman, I really feel it could be you. ये करते ही his hand will
पहुंच गया.
reach America.
यहीं से villain
Yeah.
climax शुरू हो गया से.
Thank you so much for being so nice.
Thank you.
So
In
much
the
for
fun.
having us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.